You won't believe this.
Gen AI level is just going crazy.
कोई धुरंधर उन्हें डिकोड कर रहा है.
But what you're watching right now, it wasn't filmed by me or anyone. It was created entirely by an AI. Every word, every movement, every expression, fake, but somehow real. And today, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this. You might be thinking, what, AI that can create real people? No way. But it's true, so grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the magic of HeyGen, your new favorite AI video creator tool. How to create an avatar in HeyGen. Creating an AI avatar with HeyGen is like magic, but without the rabbits and top hats. Let's start with the basics. Step 1, choose your avatar. First, you'll need to pick an avatar. HeyGen gives you a library of avatars to choose from. Or if you're feeling a little fancy, you can upload a photo of yourself. That's right, you can create your own virtual twin. But no pressure, if you're not quite there yet, just pick one of their stock avatars. Step 2, upload your picture. Upload a picture of yourself or anyone you want to bring to life. It can be a photo of your cat, a famous historical figure, or even your childhood pet hamster. No judgment here. Step 3, generate your avatar. Now, let's hit that magic button, Generate. HeyGen will take your photo and transform it into an avatar with natural facial expressions and lip syncing that would make Hollywood jealous. Step 4, customize it. Once you've got your base avatar, you can play around with it. Change the clothing, adjust the gestures, modify the expressions, or even make it dance. Yes, you can. Seriously, it's like building a virtual character in a game, but way more lifelike. Here's where the magic gets real. Now that you've got your avatar, it's time to make it talk. Step 5, enter your script. All you have to do is type out a script. Write anything you want your avatar to say. Maybe it's an intro to a YouTube video, an explanation for a course, or a marketing pitch for your new product. Step 6, pick a voice. Now, pick a voice. Do you want it to sound like a robot? Or maybe an authoritative voice for your training material? HeyGen lets you choose from different accents, styles, and languages. You can even clone your own voice if you want to get super fancy. Step 7, generate the video. Once you've set up your script and voice, hit generate. Boom! In a matter of minutes, your avatar will start talking, moving, and syncing with the audio, all automated. You didn't have to say a word. Advanced features. Making your videos shine. So you've created your avatar and made it speak. But wait, there's more. I know, you're already impressed, but hang with me because HeyGen also offers some seriously cool extra features. AI dubbing. Translate your videos like a pro. Say you want your avatar to speak in different languages. No problem. With AI dubbing, HeyGen can automatically translate your videos into over 175 languages. That means you can reach audiences globally without needing a translator or re-recording anything. Text-based video editor. The text-based editor in HeyGen is here to save your sanity. Just type out what you want, choose how you want your avatar to deliver it, and boom, your video is ready. You control the tone, delivery, gestures, and even the emotion of your avatar. It's like directing a movie, except you don't need to yell, "cut," every 2 minutes. Photo to video. Turn static images into dynamic videos. What if I told you that you could turn any photo into a moving speaking video? Upload a single picture, write a script, and HeyGen will animate that image into a talking photo. So you can bring old family portraits to life or give your marketing team photos a voice. It's like magic for your pictures. Product placement and UGC ads, perfect for social media. Creators, I've got something awesome for you. Product ads and UGC, user-generated content ads, are so easy in HeyGen. Upload a product image, type your script, and your avatar will instantly hold your product and talk about it in a real video. No cameras, no crew, just pure AI awesomeness. HeyGen, security and privacy. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about my data? Is this safe? Oh, absolutely. Everything you create is secure with AWS encryption, and you have full control over what gets tracked or saved. Your content is yours, and you get to decide how it's used. Simple as that. Pricing. Free to start, all right. I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost me? Don't worry, I've got you covered. HeyGen actually gives you a free plan to get started, and if you want to unlock all those fancy features like voice cloning, unlimited videos, or advanced avatar customization, there are affordable plans to choose from. So first up, we've got the free plan. Yep, you heard that right, $0. It's perfect if you just want to dip your toes in and test out the platform. Here's what you get. 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes, 1 custom digital twin 500 plus stock photo avatars, 720p video export, share, and download your videos, 30 plus languages to choose from. If you're just starting out and want to try creating a few videos, this is the plan for you. And hey, you can always upgrade later once you're hooked. Next, if you're ready to really get into it, there's the Creator Plan. It's only $29 a month, and it unlocks some seriously cool features. Check this out. Unlimited avatar videos. Videos up to 30 minutes, 1. Custom digital twin 700 plus stock video avatars, voice cloning, 175 plus languages and dialects, fast video processing, 1080p video export, watermark removal. Plus, you get access to all the premium features like Avatar IV video generation, video creation with Agent IV, and video translation with lip sync. Perfect for solo creators who need more flexibility and customization in their avatar videos. And then, for those of you who want to go big, there's the Pro Plan at $90 a month. It's designed for those who need to create a ton of content and need the best quality possible. Let's break it down. Everything in the Creator Plan: 10x more premium usage, faster video processing, edit and predicted training, script, 4K video export. Plus, you get maximum access to all the premium features, including the latest Avatar IV, advanced AI models, and even early access to new features. This is the plan for serious creators, businesses, or anyone who wants top-notch quality and scalability. Check out the link in the description to explore these plans and start creating your own AI-powered videos. Trust me, you won't regret it. Who can use HeyGen? So who's this for? Well, it's for marketers, content creators, e-learning professionals, and businesses that need to scale content without the usual hassle. If you need to make tons of videos quickly, HeyGen is your new best friend. If you love discovering tools that take your productivity to the next level, check out SaaStrack's AI Agent directory. It's packed with productivity tools like HeyGen, and it's your one-stop shop for all things AI. Thanks for watching, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech tips that make your work life way easier.